Biafra Liberation Army commander don blast Hope Uzodinma and Asari Dokubo. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Hey, don't forget to give us a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. As we dey post, you will be the first person to get them. And no forget to share this video. Very important to sharing the video is very important. Okay, now we'll go look into the Ogbonge news where we get for hand today. Things are happening. Things are really happening. They say Port Harcourt, they hot and they shell for there for River State. We'll go look inside the River State small. We'll know what they go on for inside the River State. No be small thing, no. They say police arrested 6 suspected over divisional official murderer in River State. You know, so for past days now, a lot of things are going on there regarding the murder of the divisional officials. So it has been going on, and they say now police don't start to arrest people, and they don't arrest 6 people in the regarding this incident that are going on in River State. No be small thing, no. We are going to bring more detail about this and bring some videos can give for now in the next video. They say Biafra Liberation Army commander don't come outside, come blast Asari Dokubo, Hope Uzodinma and Ebubago. He said those people, he said this time around it's not a time they will laugh with them. He said the Igbo politicians and others supposed to support them, rather to create the monster that turn around and kill them, which is Ebubago. We are going to play you the video for you to watch them as in they talk by own mouth. Then we will come back and continue. May you stay tuned and watch the video.
Your people, you created Ebubago with the Hope Uzodinma, with Asari Dokubo, Obuasumiri, Awo, Mpo, Idiotulani. You created Ebubago, now Ebubago is killing your people, burning down houses, killing innocent Biafrans, and you people are still tidying it that IPOB is the one calling us a criminals. Why we are here fighting for our mother's land? Why we are here telling them the truth? Why we are here making them to understand that we are Biafrans? We are not a Nigerian. Before 1960s, Biafra has been existing. Likewise, I have said it before. Elias, I have said it. That Biafra has been existing before the Nigerian war against Biafrans. Now, Hausa, I want to clear you very well. All Hausas should get this clearly. We are not enemies. We don't hate you people. It is the white man, British government, you can never see something good in life. And I'm telling you, your nation must become lower in this earth.
See?
You people will receive it hot.
See?
Look at how foreigners, you call yourself a Briton, and you are deceiving the Africans. If you stood up and tell them the truth, they will be looking for you, searching for you all over the area to kill you, so that the people will not understand. We are only asking and seeking for our freedom. And you have been killing us for a long time. Biafrans has been dying. Even you that calls yourself P2B, remember when the Britain used you? You killed yourself. Mpo massacre. I can never forget. P2B, you slaughtered your people. P2B, you kill your people. P2B, you don't even remember that this is my blood. Why would I kill them in this way? Peaceful people, only that they are moving on the streets with ordinary flag, and you are killing them. And most of the idiots, the selfish idiots, the selfish ones that are looking only interest from the Nigeria, from the government. Nobody bribed us. Nobody give us money to broadcast. Nobody give us money so that we can come against any of our people. I am not here today to castigate any of my people. I am here only to tell our people the truth and to make them to understand and to know the reality That is why I am here today. And I am strongly thanking Chukwu Kikabiama, whom that have kept me alive today. And I am so much happy that I am alive today. And no man on earth can take up this life.
Yes, sir.
Because I still have much to do for the Chukwu Kikabiama. For the restoration of Biafra.
Yes, sir.
Whatsoever you may like, you can call me. Whatsoever that comes to your memory, you can call us. But one thing is sure, and I must tell you this, we are not the terrorists. We are brothers to those innocent people that you have been killing. And now the gods of the land have rose up with anger, and we must revenge.
Sir.
If you like, take up and come. Come with your fighter jet. We are not afraid of it. If you like, come with armor tankers all over the area. We will bring them down and we must conquer them.
Yes, sir.
Because the land belongs to us.
Yes, sir.
Here is our land. We have never goes to Hausa land and tell Hausa land to pack off.
No.
We have never goes to Yoruba land and tell Yoruba land to pack off.
No.
But they are chasing us from streets to home, from home to bush. We have been suffering in the hands of all these Janjaweed. But I don't blame Hausas.
Yes, yeah.
You went and called Fulanis to come and fight against your people, to come and fight against Biafrans, with agreement. And still yet our people is still misbehaving. And still yet till today, our people never want to reason, never want to recall back from where they comes from whom they are. They doesn't want to ask themselves this question.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video and heard everything that he said in this particular video, and that they are not relenting and they are going to revenge for all the deaths of Biafra, which by Nigeria government, and they are going to make sure that they restore Biafra. If they like, let them come with a faster jet, and they are going to make sure that they resist if an operation from their enemies, according to what he's saying here. It'll be smart, you know. So my people will leave am for the table. May you talk your own opinion. Put what you think when you talk. Do you totally agree with him, or is it any agreement you're about to make concerning this? You can still leave it in comment section where we talk about it. Let's go and look into what thing that happened between Asaba and the Onitsha Head Bridge today. No be smart, you know. They say robbers arrested on Nigeria, but this is a second Niger bridge for terrorizing motorcycles and stealing bags from passengers. So he say the police arrested these two guys, and these guys are still teenagers. They are 13 years old each, that doing this thing. Each motorcycle that pass, they will try to steal something from the passengers or extorting money from those motorcycle. So this is actually happening in second Niger bridge. Don't be smart, you know. Things are really happening. My people, now so we see them today, and we'll go end them for here, and we'll go come back again. As it they happen, will they bring you people new update where they happen. I beg me, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell for more updates as they happen, and also follow our page. Okay, we'll see you for the next video. Thank you for watching.